day for Harrison's helmet. We're gonna go get his helmet off today, aren't we? And then Rainforest. And the Disney store. You ready? To Rainforest Cafe. You excited? Are you excited, Peyton?
Yeah!
Yes. Look, let's go. Ring the bell.
You want to help him?
You want to help baby brother? Okay, take it to him. Take it to him. Hey, look. I'm sure he will if you look.
No.
No?
No, we don't want it.
Okay.
That's fine.
All right. Can we sing you a birthday song? Shed Associates, it's a special day. Our friend Harrison is celebrating his first birthday. Everybody give a big round of applause. And if everyone will clap along, we're going to sing the birthday song. 3, 2, 1, go. Happy, happy birthday from Bill and Bear to you. We hope your day is special and everything you do. Hey, we'll help you choose your hair. We'll help you stuff it too. Dress it up, take it home. Now it's all for you. Yay!
Thank you. Thank you.
Enjoy your
Look at your video!
Hi, buddy. Your first time at Rainforest Cafe.
This is the animal one.
What is he at?
Since he's only one, I probably won't get him to stand up.
Where? Can you find the Disney store for me? Is that it? Oh, wow. Let's see.
Look how sea covers. Come on, follow me.
Did you have fun? Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mommy had fun too. And we went to the Disney store. Went to Rainforest Cafe. Yeah, girlfriend.
So good.
From where?
Buckers.
Is it yummy? Yeah. I love you.
I will.
You hungry? You got you an icy.
Yeah.
Yeah. A blue icy.
Yeah.
Yeah. I love you. I love you.
I will.
And then got Harrison drinking his baba.
I gotta be in trouble for that.
Yeah.